Hi everyone, I just got a brand new hair system from Lordhair, and this time I'm trying out a pre-cut style. What immediately caught my attention is how incredibly realistic the hairline looks. The knots are bleached and the density is lower at the hairline, giving it a natural gradient effect. This product is the Quanta, featuring a skin base on the side and the back, and the rest being a lace base. So let's dive in and see how it looks. Alright, I've already had pre-cut hair system before, and they were pretty good. But one important thing I have to mention is that pre-cut systems are often slightly longer than they appear in the pictures. This is intentional to give you some extra length, because if they cut it too short, then it's too short. There's no going back. And about the hairstyle, it's the LD0069, just in case you're also interested in this style. As you can see, I'm just trying out to see how it fits on my head. And I haven't cut the frontal lace yet, but I have to say this piece looks amazing. The hairline is so on point, and I'm really loving the hairstyle. Alright, so I'm gonna cut extra lace. Watch closely how I cut it with a bit of a jagged edge. This helps to blend in and look way more natural, avoiding that harsh straight line across my forehead. Alright, I just taped the hair system after camera, and here is the final look. So what do you guys think about this pre-cut hairstyle? Let me know in the comments.